Hey everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to compare two popular options for WordPress hosting, Bluehost and Nexcess. Let's get started. First up is Bluehost. Bluehost is officially recommended by WordPress, and it's known for being extremely beginner-friendly. With its one-click WordPress installation, even new users can get up and running in no time. Bluehost offers affordable pricing, making it a great option for a small blog or businesses. You also get a free domain for the first year, SSL certificates, and a 24/7 customer support. However, as your site grows, you might notice some limitations in terms of site speed and performance, especially under heavy traffic. Next, we have Nexcess, a hosting provider specifically designed for managed WordPress hosting. Nexcess offers optimized server environments, which means faster load times. Even for high-traffic websites, Nexcess also provides features like automatic scaling, daily backups, staging environments, and built-in security measures, which are perfect for larger sites or e-commerce stores. However, Nexcess comes at a higher price point compared to Bluehost, making it more suitable for businesses that need advanced hosting features. So, if you're just starting out with WordPress and want something budget-friendly and easy to use, Bluehost is a great choice. But if you're looking for premium performance, scalability, and more control over your hosting environment, Nexcess is the better investment.